Hello, my name is Ram and welcome back to my channel Career Journey and today's topic is on batch machine learning. So this is on our topic today's topic batch machine learning. So batch machine learning is an types of machine learning. So we will discuss this topic. First of all, batch machine learning. First of all, what is the batch machine learning? In by batch machine learning, we train our model on our own system. After train and test, it's uploaded on server. It's basically means in a batch machine learning, we train our model on your own system. When your model is ready to deploy, or when your model is completely trained, then your model is trained our in offline in your systems, and after train entries, it's uploaded on server for the deployment. Like in this diagram, suppose it's an data sets. Then another is on your model. We train this model, test this model, after training test and find out the evaluation scores and upload it on our server. So it's an basically its whole process is an offline process. It's an whole process completely done from your computer. So it's an basically concept in the batch machine learning. So it's an a good concept but has an some problem in this. So let's discuss this problem. So in this model is static, it can't train new things like an a dynamic. Suppose what will I say? In this model is static, it can't train new things like an a dynamic. Suppose an example. Suppose this is a student data. So you choose a model logistic regression. So you train the model on the this data for your students, and after that your model is performs well, and after it's time to deploy on its server. When you deploy on its server, then your models work accurately. But after that, new data is coming. Suppose this data is coming after that. So your not model perform well on this data because your server has an only this data. So this overall data is a new for our model. So it's an only one drawbacks in this batch machine learning. Let's try to understand with the example of with the code example. So first of all, import the libraries with pandas as PD for data preprocessing, lens, scale, and import entry splits for training of the training, testing, and splitting the data. Then it is an our model regression, linear regression model, and R to score is an evaluation matrix. Then second step two is an load data sets. DF is equals to PDF. This and load the data. It's a basic concept. Now split the data set. Now step five is build a model. Then suppose you fit an model X train and Y train. Suppose this data has contained only these data parts. This data to your model is trained in you when you call this to model train on only this data, and then predict and it gives accuracy scores. It's an correct code. But when you have another data like that, when you have new data, then your model is not performing well. Suppose we try to understand in the diagrams. Suppose first one is our data, then second one is an our model, and then train, and then server. So in this, it's an your data, size of these, okay, it's an fine. Then it's an your model, then train, and last one is server. Now see that it's an workflow like this. You first of all you data is here, then train the model, then deploy it on server. But suppose this data is an limited data and you have an another data. Suppose you have a new data. here is a new data. So in such case we require to train your model again, then again its data will come here, then again model is building, then again train the model, and then again upload on the server. It's an very time consuming process. So the only one drawback of this model this is. So after that, overcome these problems using the online machine learning. We will discuss these problems in the next video. So thank you for watching the video. Bye.